I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a payment decline on the Epic Store, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes expired cards or insufficient balance can cause declines. Step 2. Update billing information. Go to your account settings and update your billing information. Make sure all details match what your bank has on file. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies while try using a different browser. This can resolve issues caused by outdated data. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with payment processing. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Epic Games Support for assistance. They can provide specific reasons for the decline. Remember, payment issues can often be resolved quickly with the right steps. Good luck and happy gaming!